On behalf of Fire Company Chief and also Company President Tony Ashman and the rest of the officers and members of the Good American Hose Company number 3, we really appreciate you coming here tonight to attend our parade, especially considering there are 2 other parades within 20 miles of here tonight. I think we did a pretty good job. Also, we'd like to thank American Cable Recycling of Mahanoy City for sponsoring our trophies once again this year and supporting the volunteer firefighters not only in the Mahanoy area but in Schuylkill County. We'd also like to thank the judges, Bill Lindenmuth, Assistant Chief 4301 from the Goodwill Hose Company of Frackville, Rick Examitis, Marshal 747 from the Phoenix Fire Company in Shendo, and myself, Lieutenant Dan Markevich from the West End Fire and Rescue in Mahanoy City. Okay, we'll start with the engine category. Most functional engine, 1750 GPM and over. Only 1 entry in the category. First place, West End Fire Company, Ordnance Edition, St. Clair. For engine 705. Most functional engine, 1500 GPM and under. This is probably the toughest category of the night. The 6 engines within a couple points of each other. 10-minute discussion. Second place, Shendell Heights Fire Company, West Mahanoy Township, engine 881. $1,500 GPM and under. First place, Defender Hose Company, Turkey Run Shendo, engine 751. Most functional tanker pumper, second place, Ringtown Valley Fire and Rescue for engine 3010. First place tanker pumper, Charlottesville Community Fire Company, tanker pumper 41, all the way from Berks County. Most functional tanker, again from Berks County. First place, Burnville Community Fire Company, tanker 29. Most functional rescue. First place, Nuremberg Weston Fire Company for engine rescue 582. Most functional squad or specialty apparatus. First place, all the way from Northampton County, Northampton Fire Department for unit 4243. Okay, we got some judges awards. These are in no particular order. The first one, American Hose Company, Mount Carmel for engine 1. Second judges award, East End Fire Company, Palo Alto for utility 617. Third judges award, New Minersville Fire Company, Minersville for engine 533. Fourth Judges Award, Northampton Fire Department for engine 4212. Fifth Judges Award, Ryan Township Fire Company for unit 2670. Okay, I guess they went home. I think tonight's their meeting, right? 6 Judges Award for hauling ass to get here and make 2 parades. Heights Fire Company, Shendall Heights for Brush 883. Were there any cops sitting on the rear row? 7th Judges Award, Columbia Hose Company Shendall for Engine Rescue 742. Some other awards here. Most Functional KME Apparatus. Phoenix Fire Company Shendall, Engine 747. Most Functional Hahn Apparatus. This piece is 29 years old, still in frontline service, still sees a lot of fire, does its job, hauls a lot of water. Burnville Community Fire Company for Tanker 29. The next trophy is the Dutchies Award. That goes to a piece of apparatus that the members here and also the judges thought was most functional and best appearing in the parade, and that goes to the Charlottesville Community Fire Company Brush 41. Charlottesville, come here. We've got to mix up with trophies. Burnville, you have the right trophy. That says Hahn on it, right? All right.
Don't be forever sensible.
I know Charlottesville, you got a Hahn, but you got to give that to Burnville. The KME, that goes to Phoenix. What are you guys, Jeff, what are you doing? What's that one? Is that Columbia's Judges Award? Okay. Okay. You guys from Shendall, you drop it off for Columbia? Okay, well who did get their trophy? The only other trophy up here is Ryan, right? We have another one in Ryan Townships. Somebody's missing a Judges Award. Northampton got yours, right? Okay, New Minersville, Shendall Heights, and the Brush, Mount Carmel. Somebody didn't get a trophy. Okay, the Judges Awards were American Mount Carmel, East End Palo Alto, New Minersville, Northampton, Ryan Township, Shendall Heights, and Columbia. Okay. All right, last trophies for the best overall company in the parade today with 2 or more pieces of apparatus. And that goes, made the trek up here all the way up, I'm assuming came up 309 or 248. Northampton Fire Department, Station 42 out of Northampton County. Again, on behalf of everyone here at the Good American, the Dutchies, please drive home safely and stick around and spend a lot of money to help support us. Good night.